Hello there, let's explore Karura Forest together. This is an urban upland forest on the outskirts of Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. This remarkable geographical location and natural resource is one of the largest gazetted forests in the world, fully within a city limits. It covers an area of about 1,000 hectares and today is a shining example of how country-based corporate social responsibility and individual philanthropy can serve to secure and protect a country's natural resources. Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I feel like up and go brighter. Yeah, so hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. Today is on a Sunday and I'm just from church and I want to go to bike riding, so come with me guys. Naenda Karura Forest. So guys, come with me. I take you to Karura Forest if you've never been there, and I'm hoping you guys will enjoy this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell, so anytime I upload any new video you'll be notified. And yeah, so we are road to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. So guys, tutieni bidii, share my content widely. Yeah, so guys, share my videos widely and subscribe. In case you hear any background noise, uko chini somewhere there is construction, so kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, so anytime I upload any new video you guys will be notified. And yeah, so come with me to Karura. Let's go have some fun. Let's go do the riding and see what it is there. I've never been there, so it's also my first time being there. Maybe I went when I was in primary, but I'm not so sure kama Karura Forest ndio arboretum. So let's go just to Karura, have fun, and I will take you guys. My lips are so dry, and if you're a company and you would like to work with me, comment down below, and also inbox me via Instagram at Deborah Mutinda if you would wish to. And also I'm looking for interior designer people, so if you'd like to work with me, kindly comment down below and let me know. Yeah, because it's gonna be lit, it's gonna be amazing. And also I'm requesting you guys to subscribe, to follow me on my social media pages. Follow me on Instagram at Deborah Mutinda. I also have a backup account, it's Mudeu. And also follow me Instagram, take me to 2,000 followers. I would really appreciate. And also me on TikTok at Debbie Mudeu _ and Debbie Mudeu backup. So kindly follow me, and yeah, that's it. So let's take me to like 2,000 followers. So let's go. Nikonja, I feel like I should pass somewhere to grab some food, I eat, and then we go. So come with me guys, let's go. Let me close the door. It's so bright, yeah, right? Let's go. Kindly share widely to your friends. I really appreciate. I don't take anything for granted, for sure. And all guys, I'm in the lift, so let's go. So guys, I'm here. Let's go. The sun is so guys, acha twende. Let's go. Hi guys, we're on our way there. We're going to have some lunch so that we can go to the bikes. Yeah, and let's go. Let me show you where we're going.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
Guys, we normally come here for nyamcho. You're already so blessed. Ndizi zinakuanga hapo hivyo, nyamchome noma hapo hivyo. Sijui niwape location but mshaona Jagified na hiyo, so tuko Kiambu Road.
The highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain.
I've ordered for food. Nimefika mali na kulanga nyama choma. So I have ordered for today. I'm going to eat intestines. In other words, zinaitwa matumbo. So leo nakula matumbo kwa ugali na kachumbari. So nawaonyesha. So guys, my food is finally here and look at that. Look at those intestines. Angalieni hizo matumbo. They were so yummy. They look really nice and they are perfectly cooked. And so let's dig in.
The lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt.
Hi, I'm from lunch and I've really enjoyed, as you guys have seen, and I ordered some juice. This is ginger with sugarcane and it's nice. I highly recommend this. So guys, we're on our way there. Maybe catch you there. Yeah. See you there.
When you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hey, I'm finally here, and for you to get inside you pay parking fee for around 400 bob. So
it's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, I'm finally here. So let's go for the ride. We are going to hire bikes somewhere there. I will show you guys. So come with me. Let's go do this. It's been long since I wanted to do this, but yeah, come we go. So guys, this is where you hire the bikes and they charge around 500 bob Kenyan shillings for 2 hours. The bikes are not enough, so I have to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes ndio nipate yangu ndio tuende juu watu hawako enough. Juu the bikes are not enough, not people, the bikes are not enough, so zinakuja so that we can go. Meanwhile, let's stay hapa kidogo. So guys, as you can see, all those people there are sasa hawa ndo wanaenda, and then they'll bring the bikes, but kuna wengine wako already huko ndani, so they'll have to bring the bikes so that we can get them. So ukikuja you hire the bikes from that point. Moja ni around 500, yeah, for 2 hours. Guys, so let's go. I've already gotten the bike and I've already told you hiring a bike is 500 bob for 2 hours, and I have this kofia and this amazing bike, as you can see here. I will insert a picture of how I look, so let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, nimekuja hapa to have some nice and amazing drum pictures and also my pictures for memories, and this place is so amazing. Tumenyamaza, as in this looks like a movie scene from the look of things. I think watu wanafaa kukuja kwa kutia movie hapa. This place looks beautiful. The ambience, the trees, the breeze of the trees, and this place is awesome. And then look at me. So guys, let's continue. So guys, at a certain junction here, and I want to show you the direction of where I am going. This junction here to Caves and Waterfall is 0.5 kilometers, and I think I'm going that way. Alafu hii ni Tulimuru Gate 8, it's 3 kilometers. Na kutoka kwenye tumetoka, it's this. It's 2 kilometers. So let's go to Caves and Waterfall. So let's go to the Caves side and Waterfall, and I really love this kofia. As in air riding ni tamu. Anyway, so asani tuende. This is Karura Caves and Waterfall, and they are located approximately 2.5 kilometers from Kiambu Road Gate. And Karura Caves were considered sacred by the local community, with a history of usage as a place for religious worship. They are also reputed to have been a hideout for the Mau Mau during the fight for independence from British colonial government. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video up to this particular point. I've really enjoyed and I'm really tired. It's been 2 hours since I got into the forest. You can see, as in huku tu ni mamiti, nice forest, greeny and all stuff. So yeah, the video is now over. The experience is now over and I've really enjoyed it. And if you would like to come and enjoy yourself, you can come, kwa sababu mimi nimeenjoy. I had a nice bike, I had this kitu ya kichwa, and the experience was awesome. So thank you guys for watching this video up to this particular point. Thank you for always subscribing. Thank you for always coming back. And I kindly request you to share this video to your friends and family. Pia waone na pia wa subscribe. We are a road to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. And yeah, so bye bye guys, and let me see you in my next video. So bye.